Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's do an unboxing of my new pencils. These are not unknown, unheard of. Of course, it's the famous Schpirerr Farben colored pencils. And this is the 96 colored pencil color set. I shared with you in a previous video that I was able to find the 96 set at an awesome deal. I already have the 72 set that I purchased years ago when they first came out. They had no color names on them, only numbers. So you can just imagine how excited I was to get something with names and numbers. You know, I'm all about the names and the numbers, right? I'm just a sucker for names and numbers, right? So when I saw this deal, I jumped on them. Couldn't resist. Couldn't resist. So let's open them together and kind of get a feel. I know so many of you already have these lovely pencils. They are some of you all's favorite colored pencils to use. And I really liked my 72 set. And I enjoyed using them. But, of course, you already know. Number one problem was the 72 issue. I needed more pencils, more options, more color options. You know, I'm all about those color options, that color option life. So give me more colors and I will be a happy camper. But of course, like I said, I wasn't quite willing to shell out a certain amount of money just to get a couple more colors. Like less than 20 more colors. So that was like out of the question. But I really do enjoy these pencils. I did enjoy the 72 ones. And, you know, the second thing was, of course, no names on the pencils. I mean, I was okay with the numbers. You know, that was okay. But, hey, I like some names on there, too, you know. Sometimes I just like both of them. Having both is always nice, right? Of course. So we have the plastic on our tan. Nice, very nice tin here. And, ooh, look at the name of that pencil. True Love. And True Love doesn't want to focus, but that's okay. Let's see if I'm really going to have some true love for these Schpirerr Farben pencils. I really hope they have not changed the formula because you know how companies like to do. They go messing with something that's not broken. Okay, so open it up. Have this beautiful presentation. Very nice thank you note from Schpirerr Farben, Tanya herself. And these pencils definitely have a strong odor, like most oil-based pencils kind of do. We have a little teensy-weensy piece of, this is like tissue paper. This isn't even wax paper, but some tissue paper. Then I'm not quite sure what I was supposed to do with that. But I'm definitely going to go through all of these pencils. Of course, not on camera, but go through all of them because I've seen quite a few people mention that they were missing like one color. So they didn't know what color they were missing, but they were missing a color. And sometimes, you know, the color pencil companies, they'll do that to you. It's not that fun, but it happens sometimes. So here are the trays of colored pencils we have here. Oh, we have 4 trays. 4 trays of yummy, 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 yummy color goodness. And here is the last one. I love the metal tin. I love when pencils come with metal tins. That's just awesome. So I always keep most of my tins just to like use them for different things. But they come in handy when you're storing things. And I don't know where I want to put. Maybe I can do this. And the tin is hinged. So it's not really a review video of these pencils because I know there are 100 million thousand quadruple hundred videos out there of the Schpirerr Farben pencils. But I just wanted to do this unboxing with you. And I just wanted to make sure these are the pencils that I remember loving oh so very much. So they I don't know if excellent. I don't know why is my camera not focusing? Come on now. There we go. Well, sort of, kind of. There you go. Are you gonna focus? There we go. So it says Schpirerr Farben on the pencil and excellent. So I don't know if that's how you spell excellent in wherever, but okay. And it's black, 720. And let's do a feel test. Oh yeah, they feel amazing. Just like I remember. Buttery smooth. Butter, butter, butter. I love that butter. I just love butter. I love butter. Let's see about the white. You know, I always like to do the white and the black just to see what I have, what I'm working with, and the white is okay. Nothing to write home for about. Not much like wowzers there. But I didn't expect much out of the white. Don't expect much out of mini white pencils. But we have the white, which is the number 010, number 10. So very nice color range. Really like the color range here. So many different colors to work with. Let's try this watermelon. Watermelon 230. Oh, I love the way these pencils feel. Feels so good. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So my plans are to swatch these, of course, so that I can be happy while using them. And come up with some great color combinations for you. So that's my plan from here forward. Let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying these little short videos that I'm producing for you. Or are you the one who loves those long videos? Well, if you do love the long videos, just put it on repeat. Just put it on my channel and just go through my playlist, because I have my playlist strategically organized into each subject. And you can just play a playlist. It's just let it go. Just let it roll if you're just hanging out with me. But if you like those long videos, then put it down below. I just like to hear your opinion on things, you know, to see what's up. What's everybody thinking about and feeling? I feel you. We feel each other, right? All right, so that's going to be it for this unboxing. I have had this set of pencils just sitting, looking at me for months and months. I mean, it's literally been months. I think I got them in maybe March or April, maybe. But it's been more than a month, and I had not cracked them open, mainly because I was waiting on you. I was waiting on you. I didn't want to open it without you joining me in this journey. Yes, you're that special. Care about you. All right, everyone. So I will see you in the next episode. But until then, happy coloring. See you later, my dollar divas and my dollar dudes.